It is a fifth cranial nerve which is formed by 4 nuclei, in which 3 are sensory, 1 is motor. These 4 nuclei combine to form 3 branches. One is ophthalmic, V1, and maxillary, V2, mandibular, V3. Now let's talk about origin of nuclei. This is mesencephalic nucleus, and this is principal sensory nucleus, spinal nucleus, and this is one is motor nucleus. All these three are sensory in nature, and this is motor in nature. This is trigeminal ganglion, and this green one is motor, and all these orange are in sensory, and these are afferent in nature, and this one is efferent. Green one is efferent, which passes through the third branch of mandibular nerve and supplies the muscles. This is lateral view. This is transverse section at the level of pons. This is primary sensory nucleus, and this middle one is mesencephalic nucleus, and this one is motor nucleus. Spinal nucleus is not seen because it is transverse section at the pons. Now we will study branches and the area supplied by trigeminal nerve. Trigeminal nerve has 3 branches, that is V1, V2, V3. Branch, ophthalmic branch, which arises from the trigeminal ganglion in the middle cranial fossa and passes along the lateral cavernous sinuses and reaches the superior orbital fissure and passes out through the superior orbital fissure. It gives 3 branches, that is lacrimal, frontal, and nasociliary branch. Frontal branch of ophthalmic division supplies forehead, scalp, frontal, and ethmoidal sinus. And nasociliary branch supplies upper eyelid, cornea, dorsum of nose. And lacrimal branch supplies lacrimal gland. Second division of trigeminal nerve is maxillary branch, which arises from the trigeminal ganglion in the middle cranial fossa and passes through the lateral cavernous sinuses and comes out through the cranium through the foramen rotundum and gives 14 branches, and those supplies lower eyelid, conjunctiva, cheek, maxillary sinus, mucosa, nasal cavity, mucus, upper lip, incisors, canines, and molars, and superior palate. The third division, that is mandibular nerve, arises from the trigeminal ganglion and immediately enters the infratemporal fossa through the foramen ovale. It is the only nerve which has both sensory and motor nerve fibers and supplies to the muscles of first branchial arch. It has a divisions, those are buccal, inferior alveolar, auriculotemporal, and lingual, and supplies mucous membrane of oral cavity, external ear, lower lip, chin, and anterior 2/3 of tongue, and also a lower lip.